Flare is a data connector EVM that gives DApp developers broader access to decentralized high-integrity data. It delivers data to multiple chains through a single deployment, allowing wider adoption and new use cases for monetization. Some unique aspects of the chain include Flare Time Series Oracle, or FTSO, which allows for super-decentralized data feeds to flow to DApps, employs a data connector feature that helps achieve consensus for events taking place externally to the network, and houses an operational test blockchain canary network called Songbird. Flare recently partnered with VivoPower to deploy $100 million in XRP for institutional yield in June. Civic is a blockchain-based digital identity verification platform built on Ethereum. Using cryptography and smart contracts, it streamlines the KYC, or Know Your Customer process, in identity transaction settlement. Differentiating itself from other identity verification chains, Civic enables you to store your sensitive data on your smartphone through its Civic app, which is also a crypto wallet. Civic Auth and Pass features biometric capabilities and replaces password account security with more secure and seamless access. This reusable blockchain method is one way to cut down on unnecessary time and energy for credential requests and cyber attack defense. Orbs is a Layer 3 blockchain infrastructure that optimizes the on-chain trading experience, bridging CeFi, or centralized finance, to DeFi, or decentralized finance. Some of these advanced methods include aggregated liquidity, tailored trading orders, and derivative exchanges. Smart contracts can be deployed on Orbs using any major programming language, making it highly adaptive and flexible to different applications. The open source structure between public and private blockchains provides a practical environment for enterprise and large-scale use cases. Its randomized proof-of-stake, or RPOS, consensus increases security and decentralization, and its protocols DTWAP and DLimit pushes the limits in limit and time-based orders. Cartesi is a standout protocol that enables developers to build smart contracts and DApps with Linux programming languages instead of more complex blockchain coding languages. Functioning with off-chain network nodes, Cartesi can run on most blockchains and is not bound to any blockchain as an L2. This distinct difference from most helps it achieve extremely high levels of portability, privacy, and scalability without compromising decentralization. This also opens up the possibilities with DApp development, given the less intricate and intensive process and design. Cartesi is part of the Strategic ETH Reserve, or SER, that just passed 3 million ETH. Caspa is a dominant POWL1 that is said to be hundreds of times faster than Bitcoin, with 1-second visibility and 10-second confirmation for transactions. On top of this, it can confirm multiple blocks per second with its unique Ghost DAG/Phantom consensus for parallel block sidechains. It also uses an algorithm called K-heavy hash, which has the potential to use less energy over time, does not waste any blocks, and runs on its first-of-its-kind distributed ledger with directed acyclic graph, or DAG technology, making it one of the most advanced systems for blockchain efficiency. Caspa has goals of achieving new levels in the blockchain trilemma of security, decentralization, and scalability. Carve aims to be the largest modular data layer for gaming and AI, built to collect user data from moments and aggregate them into a single soul-bound token, which allows the data to be transferable to other entities. With a mainnet launch in the summer of 2024, its roadmap is still expanding to phases laid out by its ecosystem. Currently, it has an AI super app with 600-plus Web3 games called Carve Play, an AI chatbot for recommendations based on user information called Kara, 5 different layers for data management, and many other complex features. Neo is building a smart economy by integrating the digitization of assets, the underlying foundation of digital identities, and smart contract flexibility for popular programming languages and enterprise adoption. Neo originally launched in 2014 as AntShares, with the intention of mirroring Ethereum's ecosystem, and is believed to be China's first ever public blockchain called Ethereum of China. As a dual token model of Neo and Gas on a DBFT consensus mechanism with EcoBoost development, Neo 3.0 is a solid open source blockchain that aims to deter bad actors in blockchain and keep the integrity of the ledger intact. Hive is also a dual token system of Hive for governance, staking, and transactions, and HBD, or Hive-backed dollar, that introduces a dollar-backed stablecoin to its architecture. It was launched as a hard fork to the Steem blockchain in 2020, which had similar tokenomics and distributed decentralized video content and social media platforms. Its powerful infrastructure of DApps includes gaming, decentralized social media or DSoc, NFTs, and DeFi projects. Hive rewards are plentiful, with protocol development proposal payouts, savings interest on locked HBD, and author rewards for creator-centric incentives.